What is going on YouTube? It's your boy CoinCoverage here, bringing you another cryptocurrency video. In this video, we're going to be going over Bitcoin's price action along with the price action of major altcoins in the market, alongside Wabi's bull run it had recently. Just going into 2018 from big news from the company itself, along with my new Twitter account I made and my 1,000 subscriber milestone I recently just reached on my channel. Now, CoinCoverage. I made it just to share my thoughts and opinions on cryptocurrency, and I want it to be the most genuine content, cryptocurrency content on YouTube. So if you guys are not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. I promise you guys I'm going to bring you guys quality content. I'm going to improve upon it and learn from my mistakes and give you guys good trades and good altcoins into the future. But make sure you guys, the number one thing I want you guys to know about this channel is I'm going to keep it genuine and honest. There'll be nothing that I'm trying to shill for my own benefit. It'll mostly be just from me, simply giving you the picks I'm currently doing, and giving honest and genuine crypto feedback to each and every coin out there. So I don't want anyone to say, like, ask me for a program or anything like that. This is all free information that's very quality and better than probably any crypto program that you'll see out, that people are trying to shill to you. So I'm just trying to keep this a genuine and honest channel for you guys for free. So if you'd like to donate, though, you can use my referral links below. I personally have a Binance and a Coinbase referral link down there, because I believe those are the two most useful things. It's not something that, like, it's a pyramid scheme. They're actually useful referrals, and I believe that you guys can actually use those platforms to your benefit to make your own money. So, yeah. So let's get right into the video, guys. So first off, thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers once again. Let's hope for another 1,000 right away. I'm going to keep uploading daily, and yeah, so just keep up the support, guys. Keep liking my videos. I really, really appreciate it. I'll continue to bring you guys quality content, I promise you, every single day. So CoinCoverage here. I have the @ on Twitter now, so you guys can go follow me. I haven't really posted anything yet, obviously, because I don't have any followers. But if I need some followers, guys, I need some friends on Twitter. So make sure you guys come follow me on Twitter @ CoinCoverage. The link will be in the description below. Make sure you guys go check that out and give me a follow, and maybe I'll follow you back. Who knows? So, yeah. So look at Wabi's price action here. As we can see, we're still up 5% for the day. Wabi, wow, has been killing it. Refreshed at 250 now. The bull market for Wabi has been outstanding. Binance obviously making it the only exchange it's really listed on, giving that big pump it deserves. In my opinion, Wabi will do great going into 2018. This is simply from a news article, as you can see, that isn't connecting. Just give me 1 second. There we go. So as you can see, it's from this news article here. Wabi actually added to their WeChat app in action. The key adoption to our loyalty system, easy to use. Anything that stands between you and gaining, using, or counting on your loyalty points is a wedge in the user experience. That's why we're proud to give you a sneak peek at the first version of the Wabi app, and created in China's #1 messaging application, which is WeChat. As you can see, they gave us like a little video here of the WeChat app. And it's simply just a little chat mechanism that gives you Wabi control or interface through the application itself. So as you can see, you can even send Wabi to other people, and it's basically just an easy-to-use application. And sorry if you hear my dog scratching the door right now. He's trying to get in, but I had to kick him out because he kept fucking barking. All right. Anyways, I did call this on a good trade alert. As you can see, it was pretty cheap at the time, and it's now rose about $1. So I'll keep up with these trade alerts, guys. For you. I really support Wabi as a coin as a whole, so I held on for the short to midterm. I really liked it, and I'm glad I did because it paid off. So I personally wouldn't buy at these levels yet still. I think it could pull back a little bit more, just simply because news isn't really that amazing, to be honest. A lot of people were saying WeChat is simply not as big as they state it is, but I believe Wabi will still continue to grow regardless. So if you're holding on for the long term, they still have many exchanges and updates to this WeChat app that they're going to add, and also more exchanges to be added. So make sure you guys keep that in mind. It's not just the news itself, but just the possibilities of being added to new exchanges that Wabi probably plans on doing, especially being a Chinese cryptocurrency. Another thing I want to look at is Bitcoin's price action. As you can say, we're having another red day. The 50 days coming up, finding good support, and I don't think it will pass below the 50 days. As you can see, it'll kind of bounced off it. We had still a little bit more room for the support itself. But yeah, Bitcoin, I believe going in 2018 will start to pick up some traction, to be honest, guys. I think the altcoin market will take a hit if Bitcoin does go up, regardless, because when Bitcoin goes up tremendously, altcoins will tend to lag behind, but then come up later as everything tends to quiet down, as you can see right here. And then we had a big altcoin bull run right around this price action. So the 50-day will always be the support, but I believe we're going to bounce higher and go up to probably test these 20,000 highs very, very soon. So we'll keep an eye on Bitcoin. I wouldn't really lose confidence at all because Bitcoin is the central player in the market. The market as a whole has been doing very, very good. Green, once again, another altcoin bull run. Just continues to go. It seems to be unstoppable at this point, but the Bitcoin dominance is dropping below the all-time lows, to be honest, which is a good thing, obviously, for altcoins because BTC is taking up less of the market cap. But yeah, as Bitcoin pulled back, altcoins filled in the gap for the market cap, obviously, as we are still remaining these pretty high levels. Always almost nearing all-time highs once again at $602 billion. So keep that in mind that we could see Bitcoin pull up, and altcoins will probably tend to follow, but I believe that they won't be able to keep up with Bitcoin because altcoins have had a big, big rally so far. So another player I want to look at is Stellar, and Stellar is a very similar coin to Ripple. As you can see, they both deal with banks, sending payments very fast in large amounts of money. Something for the banks to use, essentially. So Ripple, basically the same thing, and they both gone up just simply because this bank, these banking coins seem to be very popular recently. That I like that. A lot of people were giving me slack just because I thought Ripple wasn't going to do very well going to 2018. Now, obviously, I was wrong. I'll take the L on that one, guys. But Ripple at these levels, I would not buy. As I get into price action here, we see Ripple starting to consolidate as well. We saw two actually in a row consolidations down here where the price actually wedged, and then it wedged again in like the same form and then the same amount of time. And as you can see, we saw two breakouts, both after the wedges, this one obviously being enormous, which was the recent one. And then we saw kind of now a consolidation period, and the price is getting a little bit more volatile. As you can see, the big red candle right here, we saw a breakout this day as well, but they couldn't really hold this price action and actually fell below for the daily. So it's important to not buy these levels for Ripple. I know a lot of you guys probably see a lot of hype and speculation, but you want to buy at the low end and then sell at the buy at the low end, sell at the high end. So you'll be able to make those good gains and essentially stay ahead, one step ahead of the market, and get those gains before anyone else does. And you don't want to get burnt, buying up at these highs. Even this would have been a risky buy right here, but as you can see, the price action was wedging. It wedged actually twice and maybe three times if you consider this some of a wedge down here. So, yep, Ripple really, really killing it going into 2018. Will it grow more? Could we see $10 Ripple by the end of the year? Who knows? Price predictions for a whole year are just too much, a time, because 1 year for cryptocurrency is just simply an eternity for some people. So, yeah, Ripple and Stellar doing very, very good. As you can see, Stellar just had a complete bull run. Now at the top of the market, I believe top 10, 9th place. Being such an established cryptocurrency, it's going to do very well. Fairly similar to Ripple because it's basically the same thing as Ripple, just a competitor. And yeah, we see banking coins doing very, very good, which is good for some people, but bad for others. And I personally do not like Ripple and their fundamentals, but you got to give it the rank it deserves, which is 2nd place currently in the market cap. I do think Ethereum will eventually pass them in January, but we'll see. I can't call everything. Obviously, I call 5 for 5 on my December picks, but yeah, go take a look at my January picks, by the way, guys. I uploaded it yesterday, so make sure you guys go take a look at that as well. So Ethereum, one of my favorite top 10 coins, just simply because of the Ethereum blockchain and programs that they're built off are absolutely enormous. There's so many good coins built off Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum is just an absolutely 2nd generation king of cryptocurrencies. So as you can see, guys, Ethereum is not in the RSI or overbought or oversold. It's kind of sitting in the middle here, maybe a little bit more towards the top. Ethereum is pretty much undervalued in my opinion. It hasn't really moved too much since the altcoin bull run, except this big rally from about $400 to $712 or $717 or so. It was pretty quiet beforehand. I still think it can easily hit 1,000 going into January. I think in January it probably will hit 1,000. I'm just not sure when it will be, because there's a lot, Ethereum is built off all these ICOs. All these ICOs and new crypto you guys are seeing are built off the Ethereum blockchain. There's no reason why this coin shouldn't be $1,000 in my opinion. I think it can easily hit a 100 billion market cap very, very easily. So Litecoin, as you can see here, obviously going lower than the RSI. It was pretty overbought for a while in my opinion, but now as it's starting to quiet down, we see our Litecoin, take somewhat of a hit after this big run up. And we see these big red candles, as you can see here. It did find good support right at the bottom of this green candle around $225. In my opinion, it could possibly go lower than that, hit the 50 days, the 50-day curve's up. But in my opinion, Litecoin wouldn't be too bad of a buy at these levels, especially as I think the bigger coins in the market will take control going into the beginning of the year, and then altcoins will again follow for another bull rally. But we'll see. That's just too much time to think. We got to see more price action in order to make those predictions. Bitcoin Cash, in my opinion, very, very undervalued for getting added at Coinbase. I believe the Coinbase adding is a very, very underrated statement. Simply because we haven't had a new coin on Coinbase in quite a long time. Ever since I've started in crypto, there's always been Litecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin on Coinbase. So we've not seen a new coin on Coinbase. The fact that Bitcoin Cash got listed here is definitely an underrated aspect for it not to just go up extremely, especially with all the Dragon Slayer drama going on that people are still mentioning will still happen, and still being relatively low in the RSI. I believe Bitcoin Cash can really go up to maybe 3,000 to 4,000 in the coming month or a couple months. We'll see, especially when the next Bitcoin bull run happens. I think a lot of people will buy into Bitcoin Cash, in my opinion, just to see it. They want a cheaper Bitcoin, and they believe just the Bitcoin brand itself will do very well. So that's it for today's price action, guys. Not too much. Honestly, just another Bitcoin bull run. We see the market continue to grow exponentially in an unbelievable altcoin rally that I've never really, I didn't expect to be this massive. I don't know when it's going to come to an end, but when it does, it'll be pretty bloody red, not going to lie. But I'm not trying to be bearish on altcoins. I think altcoins still have another couple weeks to grow. I don't want to give a specific time period because I don't really know, to be honest. But we'll see how it goes, guys. Anyways, it's been your boy, CoinCoverage, guys. Thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you have not yet. I'll continue to make daily uploads. If you want to see daily quality cryptocurrency content from personal point of view, from a trader's point of view, from an investor's point of view, I'm just like one of you guys, so I know somewhat of a lot about the crypto market. Subscribe to my channel. I really would appreciate it. So it's been your boy, CoinCoverage, and I'm out, guys. Later, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.